What's up, guys? It's Mason, and today we're going to be taking the back half of the truck off. So we're going to take the bumper off, the bed, hitch receiver, all that sort of stuff. So let's go ahead and get after it. Figured I'd lay these down so I don't have to be working in the rocks all the time. We're actually going to pull the spare tire out too. It's a little tight in there, so this would probably help. There we go. So there we go. We got the tire out. Now it's time to continue working on the bumper. We got so much more room in here now without this spare tire right here. So I'm taking these little tabs off still. We got the ones down there front off. Just pulled the plug for this one. So we're about to pull the plug for this and then continue the rest of the way. This right here is an Amazon special. Look at that. I don't know if you guys have ever taken off one of these old tailgates before they had the assist ones. This one's got the grandpa step in it. They are not easy. Oh, we got a connector here. That's going to be unfortunate. There we go. Right side bumper, whatever it is off. Here's the left side rear bumper. Here we go. So there we go. That is our plastic to our metal to our support. We are done with the tailgate and rear bumper. I guess we're going to go ahead and look at dropping our hitch receiver. Damn. Alright, we got another adapter because this is 1/2 inch. Let's try it. Let's try this one out again. So here's our hitch receiver. Now that we got the bumper and the hitch receiver off, we're going to go ahead and pull the bed. I'm going to go ahead and clean up a little and then spray some WD-40 on all of our bed bolts because I heard they can be kind of a pain, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to go ahead and try to pull the bed off, so let's get into it. First, going to remove this gas tank. Well, I busted my T50, so I had to make a Lowe's stop to get some more of these bit drivers. So let's see if we can take out our super rusty bolts now. Damn. Alright, maybe the impact instead of just the torque wrench will work better. Well, it's not wanting to come out, so we're going to go ahead and weld this nut onto right here. Just because I feel like I can get a lot more torque on that nut than I could on the T50. And so we'll try it out and see if that works. Well, we have resorted to taking a grinder and cutting them off because they're too rusted in, and I've broken 3 bits on it now. Just in case you guys didn't know, these are what bed bolts are. So we have some shorter ones and some longer ones. These are actually the only 2 that came out as one whole piece. Most of them either look like this or they ended up looking like this. Oh, that one's hot. Where we cut off just the top. All right, you guys ready? And we finally got those bed bolts out, and we finally got the bed off. So we got our bed sitting over there, and now we have everything open and ready to be worked on. So this is pretty much the end of this video. In the next video, we're going to be taking off some of our rear components as far as the suspension, the axles and stuff. And then the following video after that, we are going to be coating those things. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.